All right. So I realized we don't have any videos of this, so I'm putting together the videos of the notes that we've taken so far, and we'll be putting videos together as we move along. So the topic for the first part that we did was undefined terms. And if you remember carefully, I had said geometry is a lot of vocabulary words, but you have to know how to use. So this first part was just learning those 3 undefined terms of geometry and what they mean. So we have a point, and a point is a one-dimensional, distinct dot with a location. 1D, that's a 1, with a distinct location. It has no size or shape, but again, we like to use a dot to identify it, like this right here. And you always use a capital letter to name a point. So for example, this point right here, we would say point A, or even just A. That is referring to one distinct point, like this one right here. The next term is a line, and a line is made up of infinite points. Any 2 points form a line. Any 2 points anywhere in space, you can draw a line through, or you can make a line go through them. So it takes 2 points to make a line, but a line is made up of infinite points. A line has no thickness or width. You name a line by any 2 points, because it only takes 2 points to make a line, or a lowercase script letter. And we talked about script in class. This means a cursive letter. It has to be fancy and it has to be lowercase. So for example, this, if we wanted to name it with 2 points, we would name as line, and we draw a line over it, X, Y. If we just wanted to name it with a lowercase script letter, here's my script letter right here, we would name it line, and then we would make a fancy little N, kind of cursive-y. Collinear points are points that lie on the same line. Co meaning together. Non-collinear points is points that do not lie on the same line. Please note this must be at least 3 points, because we just said any 2 points make a line. 2 points make a line, so to be non-collinear, you need to give me at least 3 points. Then we have our plane. And a plane is a flat surface made up of points. Like a line has 2 points that form a line. In order to become a plane, we need any 3 points to make a line. The plane extends indefinitely in all directions. To name a line by any 3 non-collinear points, or an uppercase script letter. Okay, so for example, we can say this plane right here is plane JKL. Those are 3 non-collinear points. They are not all on the same line. Or an uppercase script letter. There's my script letter right here. So we would name this plane and then P. We use that fancy cursive letter right there. When we talk about intersecting lines and planes, 2 lines intersect at a point, in this case, point P, and 2 planes intersect at a line, in this case, line K. A few more things that we talked about on this day. So to identify a line, we put an arrow with 2 arrows on the end, sorry. A line segment is just no arrows. And then we have a ray, which is 1 endpoint, 1 arrow. All right, and that was it for this topic.